channel. Today we're doing a haul video. So Ulta recently had a 21 days of beauty, and I know one of my goals for 2021 was to not spend money, or like to limit the amount of stuff that I buy. Most of the things I got, most of them are things I actually need, and for the things I don't need, I'll explain. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. If you want to see more videos like these, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, press the bell notifications to be notified when I upload, and to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I think we all at this point have heard Becca is closing. So I got a couple of things because they're closing, and I feel like that's okay to purchase some stuff. So Becca is very well known for their highlighters, so I got two of their highlighters. I got the shade Moonstone, which is this guy over here, and I also got the shade Rose Quartz. So if they were not closing, I definitely would have purchased them like later on, like a couple years down the road, but because they are closing, I wanted to get a hold of any products I want to get my hands on before they close in September. And highlighters, I mean, they're very well known for their highlighters, so if I didn't pick them up now, if, let's just say hypothetically, there were to be like a 70% off sale, store-wide, brand-wide, they're going to be sold out quick. So I wanted to pick those up before I lost my chance. And then back in 2018, I loved this primer. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter Primer. I used up this whole entire bottle back in like 2018, 2019, something like around there. And it's this very beautiful primer, as you can tell. I just loved it so much, and I wanted to pick this up again for down the road when I do want to use this primer again, and I won't be able to get my hands on it in the future, so I might as well get that. So I got that as well. So I also got two other things that I didn't necessarily like need, but because they were 50% off, I got them. So cream products, I feel like have been very, very big, and I'm not really a cream product kind of person just because my skin is more on the oily side. But I just had to pick these guys up. So I got two of the Nudestix Nuddies Matte All Over Face Bronzer, and then a face blush. So the bronzer that I got, and it's matte. So because they are matte, I just decided to pick it up, and if I don't like it, guess what? It was 50% off. So I got the shade Bondi Bay, and this is, so it comes with two sides. There's a brush, which I was told not the best, but the other side has the cream product. So this is Bondi Bay, and I got it as a cream bronzer since I don't own cream bronzers. And then I also got the blush in the nude. Well, for me, it's a nude. I mean, for me, it's a blush. That's what that looks like. I was originally gonna just get Bondi Bay, but just because most cream blushes aren't matte, they're like a shimmery, they have like a shimmery finish or like a satin finish, but because this one was matte, I decided to go ahead and pick it up and give it a try. The thing that's annoying is that these, like, the packaging is so bulky. Like, everything else are needs. Brow products. I have been really into brow pencils, and so I actually recently finished a brow pencil. Decided to stock up on some brow pencils. So I've actually never tried these. This is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I got them in two different shades. One in the shade Brunette Betty, which is a medium brown, and then another one in the shade Brown Sugar, which is a soft medium brown. So right now, I feel like it's okay to wear a more darker brow product, but as my hair lightens, as we get closer and closer to summer, definitely I'm gonna need a lighter color, so that's why I got like a darker and a lighter brown. So I've never actually tried these. So one is supposed to, like, it has two sides, just like the Nudestix. And one side is supposed to be like a waterproof pencil, and then the other one is supposed to be an ink stain. So it's like really thin. It's like an eyeliner. So this is the ink stain side. And then this is the waterproof pencil one. So I got those ones. Hopefully these are really good. I'm still learning how to use brow pencils, so hopefully they're not too difficult to deal with. And then I also got two of the Anastasia brow wizzes. I got the shade Soft Brown and the shade Ebony. Currently I am in the shade Ebony, but again my hair is going to get lighter since I do have natural highlights as we get closer to summer. So yeah, and this one also has two sides. One side has the pencil. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. It's really, really popular. And then the other side has the spoolie. And then I also picked up the Anastasia clear brow gel since that was also 50% off. And I am about to run out the current brow gel that I'm using. Right now I'm wearing the Anastasia brow gel in the shade Espresso. Just for a change, I decided to get the clear brow gel. Everything else is skincare. Alright, this isn't really skincare actually, but I picked up the Beautyblender. So the Beautyblender itself is $20, and I mean half off is $10. So, and it comes with a little soap bar, the Beautyblender soap bar, which is what I use to clean my brushes and sponges. And I was like, you know what, it's $10 compared to $20. I've never actually tried the Beautyblender, and I do use a sponge to apply my makeup. So this is like a semi-need because you do run out of sponges. So I thought I will go ahead and give this a try. Finally. But everything else is skincare products, and they are needs. So I picked up, I actually didn't even know that this brand even existed. This is the Beekman 1802 Milk Drops. It is a probiotic ceramide serum. I actually didn't even know this brand even don't bend those. But I actually didn't even know that this brand even existed. This is expensive. And so I do need a serum. I like, this is like bougie. Dang. What the heck? It is a serum. This is glass, guys. Oh my god. This is glass. So be careful. This is supposed to be really good for oily skin. It's so cute. It comes with this. This is so cute. Okay. It's a serum. It's like a hydrating serum. So I thought I would go ahead and give it a shot since I do need a serum. I feel like this could be like a more like bougie version of the Fourth Ray Beauty Milk Drops. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see. Right now, just from like the benefits and kind of the packaging a little bit, that's just kind of what this is just the kind of vibe it gives me. So we'll see how this works. I do love the milk drops. I do use them every single day, so we'll see how that goes with that. And then I also picked up the Murad nutrient charged water gel. I go through moisturizers like crazy, so I thought I would go ahead and give this guy a try since it was 50% off. Since I do have oily skin, I do use a gel based moisturizer. Ooh, it's like pink. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know why I said that, but I did. I'm excited to try it. I want to say I have the current moisturizer I have. I'm going to like run out of it in the next 2 weeks. 3 weeks max. So this was needed. And then I also picked up the Patchology Pedicure foot mask. I do like to wear a foot mask every couple of months. So yeah, full price is $20, 50% off, $10. I do have one foot mask that I'm going to use, and then this guy I'm going to use in the next 2 to 3 months. So this is needed because this is expensive. And by the way, if you have like very, very crusty feet, just use this. Trust me. And you don't want to like go to the salon and get an actual pedicure, use this. All of your problems with your foot, the yucky, ickiness, hardness, will all go away with this. Trust me. It's magic. So that is it for today's video. I feel like that was really, really quick, but I didn't really buy like a lot of things. I mean, this is definitely a lot, but I've bought more, I think. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys purchased, if you did purchase anything from the sale. Like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. I will leave everything down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.